geometry, we have loads of resources for you, including a comprehensive curriculum path that covers every single K-5 geometry standard. Now, most of those activities utilize 3D printable kits, but we do have one of those kits that we have converted into a 3D virtual simulation, and that is our Composing Polygons kit. This kit has two virtual modes, an adding angles mode, which can be used to show students that angles are additive, or in middle school for complementary and supplementary angles, and the build polygons mode that I'm in here. Now in this mode, you can simply add sides to shapes, add angles to your environment, and in this way create two-dimensional shapes using things that look just like the 3D printable manipulatives, but instead of being 3D printed and using straws, doing it in a virtual environment like you see here. Also in middle school, just so you know, this is a perfect opportunity to figure out side angle side and whether or not you can select the correct value that will successfully complete the triangle you're hoping to create. If I get it right, it completes, and if not, it's very obvious in the 2D simulation whether or not they got the correct value. Hopefully this is helpful to you and that you enjoy exploring this virtual kit and of course the Add Angles mode as well.